So hello everyone. My name is Jalise and this is Infinite Modesty Design. So thanks to everyone who is joining me, whether you are joining me live or you're watching the replay. I want to thank you so very much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. So of course, who we are, for someone who have no clue who I am, probably seen me live, we are a Toronto Sewing and Fashion Studio. And what we do help, of course, our students, our client, our customer to bring out their creative side. So for those who always have an envision of sewing or bringing this fashion, this style out in their head, probably even touching the sewing machine, maybe owning a sewing machine, we do bring the creative side out of our students, our customers, our client, and help them bring it out to life in sewing and fashion. So that's what we do. So I want to thank you guys so very much for joining me today. Again, for those who are watching me live and who are watching me watching the replay. If you do need to contact us, you could definitely send us a message either on Facebook or Instagram, or you could go ahead and contact us at Jalise at infinitemodestydesign.com or gellisjerome at gmail.com. Or you could contact us by phone 416-742-9931. And you could also send us a DM as well. Okay, and after the live, I would also put my contact in the bottom of this video. So I have some good information for us today. Today, we are going to be having a free 4-day sewing party. Yeah, on Zoom. So it would be live on Zoom, and we are inviting everyone. Come along. You have a sewing machine, just come on down. What we'll be making, of course, we'll be making a face mask. So we're making a face mask. So let's say you want to make, maybe today you want to make, you want to wear this kind of face mask. The other day you want to wear probably this one, right? Probably the next day you want to make, you want to kind of step up in a color face mask. So yes, that's what we'll be doing. We'll be making a face mask and it will be free, guys. So all you need to do is sign up in the link below. And if the link is not there, I'll put it after the live where you can sign up. Also, I want you guys to help me share the information as well. So morning, Govana, thanks for joining me, dear. So kindly help me share the information. If you're on my Facebook page, please help me share the information so others will kind of sign up and join as well. It's a free 4 days. We try to do it 4 days so people could actually get in the hang of taking the machine out and threading the machine and so on and so forth. So for those who sign up, we will be sending you the face mask pattern. So you have to sign up in order to get the pattern, and then you get the first video how to cut the fabric out. Okay? Thank you so much for sharing, dear. I appreciate it. So everyone else is in my Facebook page. Kindly help me share. Probably someone want a sewing buddy, and we are here to kind of support you. So that's the first exciting news we have, is that we have in our free sewing party coming up. It's 4 days. If you are interested, click the link in the description. I think it's in my group and somewhere else I have it, but after the live, I will definitely put the information so you could sign up. You would get the face mask, and it's 4 days. So face mask is the first thing we're making. The next thing we're going to be making is a pillowcase cushion. So guys, even though you make it already, it still doesn't hurt. You could have all different kind of pillowcase cushion. You know what I mean? So come on board. One thing I like is that some students would say, you know what, I have been going to YouTube. I have been going there, and it's so like it's like you're going through like a wall, a sea, and you don't know which one to pick. That's what we're here for you, to kind of pattern you, to put you on the right track, right? So this 4 days would really much help you to kind of say, yeah, there's some people on the net that actually love to sew, and I want to join them for sure. So this will be making a pillowcase cushion, and guys, you could even make it and sell. If you go online and you see how much this thing's selling for, you'll be wondering, why wouldn't I join this free class? Now, another thing we'll be making here is an infinity scarf. So infinity scarf is something like this. You can make it all different size, all different, and it's a very excellent gift idea. Like sometimes you have so many different family members, like, what do I buy? Oh, I have fabric. Let me make them a scarf. Let me make them probably a face mask. I don't know, just anything just for gift. So thank you. Happy Saturday. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. I'm not pulling the names out, but I'm seeing you guys. So thank you so very much for joining me. So at Infinity Scarf, and guys, even though you make it already, you could always make a different color. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Now, and then the last thing we'll be making, this is very easy, but sometimes it looks intimidating, hair crunchy. So I have it in my hand. You put it on your hair. You can make 2, 3, like my daughter recently started school, and I've been making a hair crunchy for her hair, her face mask match, her skirt. That's the beauty of sewing. So that's the free exciting news we have first. The next news we have, of course, let's say you are a beginner and or you have never touched a sewing machine before, and you said, Julius, you know what, I really want to learn to sew. Like, I really want to learn the art of sewing. No problem, we got you covered. Now, the one other thing I would say is that you could definitely want to get a sewing machine. One that we definitely do recommend. So hello, Deborah, thank you so much for joining me, and Elizabeth and June and everyone else. So if you say, you know what, I always want to learn to sew, but I don't know which sewing machine to buy, no worries. Take this. We have one of the sewing machine we recommend is a Singer heavy duty. It could be a 4452, 4423, 4432, 4411. There's a lot of them. I think there's even 44S something as well. But once it looks something like this, right? This is a brand that I've been using in my in-studio classroom since 2018, and it's really worked for me. So if you never touched a sewing machine before, like you never ever touched a machine before, and you said, I really want to learn, I would recommend this machine to buy. Now, if you have a sewing machine at home and you don't want to invest in a new sewing machine, you could still join the class, and we'll definitely look at the manual and kind of help you out with the brand new machine, of course. So our beginners class now, we have one in session. It's live. You get the videos. It's live on Zoom. You're in the class, and also you get the replay to actually watch after the class is over. So for the beginners class, we start the class. So anyone interested, it's a paid class, and it's a very reasonable class. So you don't have to break the bank at all for none of our classes. We have the class, it started. So if you are interested, kindly send us a message. We have started one this week. We still have space. If you, of course, thank you so much, my dear, for the blessing. Appreciate it, Rachel. Oh, your first time here. Awesome. Welcome, 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 welcome. So happy to have you. So yeah, so if you have, so we do the class. We start one this week, and we still have space. We have a lot of space, actually, because it's online. You know, you are in your house. And if you are said, okay, you know what, maybe I'm going to start it later because I don't have a machine, no worries. As soon as you get your machine, contact us, and you will be able to definitely get signed up for the beginners class. Now, my goal now is to coach beginners to advanced, to be honest with you guys. If you say, okay, you know what, I'm not sure if I'm ready to go to the advanced class as yet, we have an intermediate class, which is only a skirt and a blouse class. But my vision and my view for my customers, for my client, is to go from beginners to advanced. And let me tell you guys, it's not hard to go to advanced. It's not hard at all. We have an advanced class, and the advanced class is coming out sometime in April. And for those who contact me and say they are interested, please contact me. Let me know your payment plan, because it's very important. The class is a very reasonable class. If you're going to look around in your closet and see the amount of clothes you've been spending, and I'm teaching you the skills of how to make your own sewing pattern, right? So we're teaching you the skill in our advanced class now. So this is our advanced class I'm talking about now. We have the free class, which I mentioned earlier. We have our beginners class, is a paid class, and now we have our advanced class. Our advanced class, we show you how to make, let's say you want to make a dress like this. That's what our advanced class is all about. We show you how to take the measurement, the bust, the waist, the shoulder to bust, the shoulder to waist, the empire measurement, the hip measurement. We show you how to create your pattern, not just for yourself, but also for if you have to have clients. If you want to sew for maybe say you want to practice on your children, right? We teach you how to make the sewing pattern, how to calculate the sewing pattern, and how to make your garments step by step. We coach you online, guys. We coach you online. Some people will say, well, why would you want to teach people to sew? Because people be making a lot of money. Like if you see a dress like that online, it's not $1 for the dress. It's not $100. It's not even $2. If I have to make a dress for you like this, I will charge you minimum $300 to make a dress. Now online, you will see it for even more money, right? So guys, the best time to start to learn to sew is now. If you have never sewn before, you want to jump on our beginners class. And we have a group where we are creating, where every Friday we connect. If you always want to string that machine, you always want to get that machine running, we are connecting every Friday. So the best time to start is now. The best time to start is now. So in our advanced class, you make the sewing pattern, and also we will give you all our sewing pattern on our website. Everything that we have, this is one of the sewing pattern you would download from our website. It's the same, it's a blouse pattern. We'll give you all our 9 size blouse, skirt, sleeve, and pants sewing pattern from our website. Okay, that's for those who take the advanced class. And the advanced class will teach you how to make clothing professionally for yourself, or if you want to go into a business. That's our goal. But again, for those who are just want to just come and connect for the first time and see, okay, I wonder if this girl could really teach me. You know what I mean? Come on to our free class. That's the best place to start. Come on down. Sign up, sign up, sign up. And then we have the class sometime, not this Friday. Oh, I just forget. This Friday, we are having our graduation for our first ever online beginners class. So for those who are in our Facebook group, on our Facebook page, you are more than welcome to come on Zoom to celebrate with us next Friday. We are graduating our beginners online class students. Yay! So this is a really nice celebration for me. It's not in studio, it's online. It's the first time we had it. And we had over 20 something students in the first beginners class. So we are excited, and we want to give them a grand welcome, or a grand set off. Right, guys? So definitely come on board to our free class. I'll put a link in the description for you guys to sign up. For those on Instagram, definitely I put the link either under a post or under the video. I'm still kind of getting familiarized with Instagram. But for those on Facebook and in my group on my page, I'll put the information there. You could definitely sign up. And then we'll take sewing to another level. Beginner, no problem. This is your sewing machine we recommend. If you already have a sewing machine, contact me. We'll jump on a Zoom call, and then we'll see how we could definitely work with you. Again, lastly, to contact us, you could contact us, send us a private, send us a DM. Email us, gellisjerome@gmail.com. My phone number here is 416-742-9931. You could also contact us by just sending us a message on whatever device whatever Instagram, Facebook you're watching us from. And we are here to help you go from beginners to advanced. So bring the creative side that is inside of you that you probably never even thought, ooh, can I really make this? Can I really do this? We help you bring it out to life. That's who we are. Thank you guys so much for all your wonderful support. Thank you so much. Help me share, please. Like this video if you can. Share this video if you're on my Facebook page. Thank you so much for everyone who share the video, and remember to join us live on Friday. We are having our graduation for our first time beginners online class. Okay, guys, love you guys so very much. Remember, Jesus Christ love you. That's one thing I always want to let people know. It's not just, well, I come and sew. No, Jesus Christ loves you. And one of my mission also is to teach you to sew, but to also let you know that Jesus is the Savior, and He wants you to know Him. And of course, the best day to get to know Him is today, and is to give your life to Jesus Christ. Thank you so much, Govan. I was even thinking of that for posting my phone number in the chat. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye-bye.